guys, I have chocolate.
Chocolates? Ano to?
Nutella.
Nutella. Nutella katayfi. Almond katayfi. Pistachio katayfi. Biscoff katayfi. And this is the same. Pistachio katayfi. So, it's the same.
Oh my God.
Oh, anong gagawin mo po?
I'm gonna eat the pistachio.
Lang? I-try, sige.
All of them.
Open mo yung malaki. Oh, try mo. Open it. Tell me if it's masarap. What do you think, Cassie? Anong gusto mo i-try, Cassie?
This one. That's simple.
Cassie, open it.
Simple.
Open. Cute, no? Tingin? Okay. Cassie, open it. Open it, Cassie. Ang sarap ng upo ni Cassie sa'yo, eh. Let's try it. I'm excited to eat it. Okay. 0.6 tayo. What? Okay. Oh, try mo na. Nag-melt siguro siya sa delivery. You bite it. Ano? Kamusta? Is it yummy? Cassie, ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream yummy. Ayaw, oh. Kamusta? Masarap?
It tastes like the cake.
Oh, yung cake. Pistachio cake.
But the ring,
Masarap. Sarap. Sarap siya.
but the like rice is there. No crunchy.
Yung crunchy. Anong rice? Ka-typing nga eh. Oh, try mo iba naman.
This one.
Yan din yun. Same lang din yan. Wag yan. Anong gusto ni Cassie? Ito. Nabuksan ni Cassie mag-isa? Oh, Cassie, ang galing mo. May purple sa loob. Ikaw nag-open, Cassie? Na-open by yourself? Wag yan. Tatapon. O, game. Open this. Ito, open. Open mo, Cassie. Open. Open it. Ito, open. O, try mo, Rafa. Bite it. Dito sa bungad, siguro. Ito, ano to? Almond katayfi. Try mo, baby girl.
I like almond.
You try lang. Yan, kain mo yung buo. Ba't ka galit? How was it? Sarap? Almond. Ano yan? Nutella. O sige, open the Nutella. Kasi open the Nutella. Tatry daw ni Cassie tong, ano, pistachio katayfi. Sarap? Ah! Ano yan? Ano po?
This one is the Nutella chocolate.
This one. Okay, game. Here you go,
I
baby.
think this is gonna be good.
Oh, subo daw muna si Cassie.
I like it. Why does Cassie like it?
Ha? Yung pistachio, you don't like?
Yeah.
Gusto ni Cassie.
It's good.
Ooh. Okay. Gutom na ata si Cassie. Tingin? Sige, bite mo pa. Nakita mo, makain mo yung katayfi. Opo, ma'am. Gutom na to. Gusto mo na ng food, Cassie. Oh, kumusta? Okay, mas okay. Okay yan. Yummy? 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 Ano pa? May tatry ka pa ba? Almond? Yan, the same nito yan. Yung Biscoff. There's the other one, the Biscoff. Where is it? No, it's not here. Kasi you're hiding it, ah.
Not gonna be good.
Okay. Last one.
Not gonna be good.
You try lang. Kasi open it. Open mo yan. What?
No.
Ano na? Ano yan? Biscoff? Oh, kasi oh.
You taste
Teka,
naman.
teka.
Or else I'll not taste.
Oh, sige. Ikaw muna. Mamaya ako.
I already tasted.
Ano, kamusta? So, ano pinaka-gusto mo? Pistachio at Nutella. Okay. Sige, thank you for your comments. Bye-bye. Bye, huy. Kasi, bye-bye. Cute yung dalawa dyan, no? Bye.